Hi all, my name is Dipanshu Porwal and I am a senior AI developer. So today I'll be talking about my recent project that is called ATS Resume Scoring and Improvement Suggestion app. So basically it's an AI powered platform that uses RAG-based analysis, async pipeline and Docker integration to process resumes, match them to job description and provide actionable improvement recommendation. So before diving deep into the topic, I would like to highlight the problem statement so it can help us in deciding where our project can well fit it. So traditional resume screening is slow, inconsistent, and often lacks actionable feedback. So here comes our app that can automate this process, batch process multiple resume, score them based on the JD or job description, and offer tailored improvements too. So we talk about the tech stack. We are using Python, Microsoft Autogen framework, LangChain, and MongoDB. So let's look into our architecture diagram. So whenever any user need to interact with this app, he will use this UI that I've developed using Streamlit, and here he can upload multiple files. He can also upload a JD, or he can also select from the real-time job board search, where I have integrated our rapid API key, which is fetching live results from our job board. And once these documents are uploaded, so these are being passed to our main workflow where we are having different agents. And these agents are like working together to process this resume and JD, all those things. So if you see resume processor agent is processing the resume, JD analysis analyzing the JD, ATS scoring agent is like scoring the resume against JD, and then improvement recommendation like suggesting improvement uh, to the each resume, and then finally visualization agent that is visualizing all the result or help us in seeing what is the analysis. And we are also using MongoDB database where we are storing our data, all the resume, JDs, and whatever scores are there, and comparison result also. And on the output, we'll be seeing the first JD summary, then resume scoring and feedback, then relevant job suggestions based on the resume content, then resume rewriting suggestions also. And then finally, we'll visualize job fit analysis across resume, summary insights also. So before seeing the live demo, I want to give the small intro into the folder structure. So this is our agents folder where we have defined all the agents, and these are like all inheriting assistant agent module of our Autogen. Then we have a config file where we have a constant related and Docker utility related file. We have an input folder where all the input files are being saved. Then we have model where we are initializing our LLM or OpenAI, Azure OpenAI model. And then we have a MongoDB files where we are processing data for storage. Then we have output folder where we are storing output after processing, and then we are having a pipeline that is basically running our whole pipeline. And then we are having prompts folder which is having all the systems and user related prompts for each agent. And we are having RAG retriever also, that is like retrieving the context that is being passed to scorer and improvement suggester agent, so it can like score it enhancively. And then we are having schema files. Those are basics like classes in which the agent should result his output. And then we are having a services where it is service like job feature services, so it is fetching real-time job. Then we are having UI, so it is all the UI we'll see in the demo, all the file for JD summary, job board, resume summary, all the style, CSS, and all those files have kept under UI. In utils you can see the for parsing the file we have created one util for file input output operations, report generator, prompt loader. For this we have created like wherever we were having common code, created a utils for there. Then we have like our Streamlit app main file where we are like uh, adding our component together to so that the UI can be seen like this. So let's see our UI. So you can see this is the real job board. Here we have given some data scientist job, or let's see I want to search in USA. So let's see what are the search result. So it has search, and we can select any of the search result from the API result. And I've selected use this JD. So have you seen this has been selected and our upload folder for JD has been removed. Now we can also select some resume. So here we can give some resume. So I'll give for example, I'll give two resumes and I uploaded it. And you can, when you run pipeline, so basically on the behind it will do all the processing, all the agents will work, they will give their relevant results, and those will be combined together and will be visualized. So you can see, like here I've all selected two resumes, so both have been selected. So see, finally we got the result, and it was too fast. I think if we compare, like lots of LLM interaction happening, and you can see this is first we have seen the JD summary where we have overview. Overview is having experience, required responsibilities, is domain keywords, skills, what are the required skills, preferred skills, then educations, then match criteria. We can also download this JD summary, and let's minimize it and see the other section of our UI. So this is the resume summary section where we are all visualizing our resume score. So for first resume, it has given the total ATS score, and then it has categorized that score under experience, skill, education, certification, and other categories. And then for skill score distribution, it has again categorized in what are the specific skills are, like generative AI, Python, transformer, prompt engineering practices, all this. And this can be visualized in different kind of charts. So this is bar chart, pie chart, radar, donut chart, heat map. Also all this we have implemented. Next come the feedback. So it will give the feedback for each resume, where it is good and where it is well fitted. Then comes the recommendation. Recommendation are for the resume. You can add this, like for this it has given add PyTorch framework to skill set, because this is the JD requirement. So at the same time it is giving the suggestion, feedback suggestion to the resume, and then it is suggesting open jobs also. So as per the resume you can see it is giving all the jobs. So same visualize, let's minimize it, and same visualization is for another resume for Nihal. So this is the sample resume I have taken. So we'll not look into those details because the structure is same, just the data difference. Next is the detailed visualization summary. So this is basically, here we are comparing each resume score against the JD score. So first we are having total ATS score comparison, where we have a total score for both the candidates. Then we have score breakdown comparison for each candidate in certification, communication, education, experience, presentation. Then we have a skill breakdown comparison also. So here you can easily visualize and decide who is good into which technology and who is having more experience into that. And finally you will have like summary insights, so which candidate is more suitable, why it is suitable, with proper thoughts. So this is my like a whole idea of the project. And if you have any thoughts or want to give some suggestion from for improvement, you are ready to welcome. You can connect me over LinkedIn, and I'll attach my LinkedIn and into the uh, description. And definitely there are lots of chance to improvement, and lots of things can be improved. I've just started and it's first phase. I'm happy to connecting and learning together. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.